Look at these delicious meatballs. They're perfectly cooked and they're so tender and juicy. Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making meatballs in the air fryer. To make these easy meatballs, we need ground meat. I'm going to use ground turkey. You can also use ground beef. We also need breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and seasonings. I'm going to use salt, garlic powder, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Oh, and we also need milk. So to make these meatballs, the first thing I'm going to do is spray the air fryer basket with a non-stick cooking spray so the meatballs don't stick. Next, I will assemble the meatball mixture. So let's take our ground meat. I will open the package and put it in the mixing bowl. And next, I'm going to add half a cup of breadcrumbs. Half a cup of Parmesan cheese. A quarter cup of milk. Three-quarters teaspoon of salt. And I will also add garlic powder, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Now, once we added all the ingredients, I'm going to mix it. And I'll finish mixing with my hands. Now the meatball mixture is combined, so I'm going to shape it into meatballs and put it in the air fryer basket in a single layer. So let's take the air fryer basket and shape the mixture into meatballs. So now that all the meatballs are assembled and they're in the air fryer basket in a single layer, so let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 375 degrees. And I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at our meatballs. Look at these delicious meatballs. They're perfectly cooked and they're so tender and juicy. They look amazing. So easy, in just 15 minutes you have these meatballs. Now let's try it. Perfectly cooked. So tender. They taste amazing. You'll love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.